Let's embark on a journey into the profound and transformative world of mindfulness and meditation. In our relentlessly fast-paced lives, often characterized by a constant barrage of information, demands, and distractions, the practices of mindfulness and meditation offer a sanctuary, a still point in the turning world. They are not esoteric rituals reserved for gurus or monks, but rather accessible and powerful tools that can fundamentally reshape our relationship with ourselves, our experiences, and the world around us. Imagine standing amidst a swirling storm. The winds of worry whip around you, the rain of anxiety pelts your face, and the thunder of inner criticism roars in your ears. This, for many of us, is the constant internal weather we navigate. Mindfulness and meditation offer us a way to step out of the storm, not by magically making it disappear, but by finding a place of calm observation, a quiet shelter from the tempest within. Mindfulness at its essence is the simple yet profound practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about noticing what is happening right here, right now, without getting carried away by thoughts of the past or anxieties about the future. It's about acknowledging our sensations, our thoughts, our emotions, as they arise and pass, with a gentle curiosity and acceptance. Consider the simple act of eating. How often do we truly taste our food? We might be scrolling through our phones, rushing to our next task, or lost in conversation, barely registering the flavors, the textures, the aromas. Mindfulness invites us to slow down, to engage all our senses, to savor each bite. In this simple act, we cultivate a deeper appreciation for the nourishment we receive and a greater connection to the present moment. Similarly, consider the experience of walking. We often move from one place to another on autopilot, our minds preoccupied with to-do lists or future plans. Mindful walking invites us to feel the ground beneath our feet, the movement of our bodies, the rhythm of our breath. It transforms a mundane activity into an opportunity for presence and connection with our physical selves. Meditation, on the other hand, is a practice that cultivates mindfulness. It's a set of techniques designed to train our attention and develop our capacity for present-moment awareness. There are many different forms of meditation, but at their core, they often involve focusing on a specific object, such as the breath, a sound, a sensation, or a guided visualization. Think of your mind as a lake. When it's agitated by strong winds, our thoughts and worries, the water becomes murky, and it's impossible to see clearly to the depths. Meditation is like allowing the winds to subside. As we gently focus our attention, the surface of the lake begins to calm, the sediment of our thoughts settles, and the water becomes clearer, revealing the inherent stillness and clarity that lies beneath. The breath is often used as an anchor in meditation. It's a constant companion, always with us in the present moment. By gently bringing our attention to the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves our bodies, we create a point of focus that helps to anchor us in the now. When our minds inevitably wander, as they are designed to do, we gently guide our attention back to the breath, without judgment or frustration. This simple act of returning again and again strengthens our ability to focus and cultivates a sense of presence. Meditation is not about stopping thoughts. That's an unrealistic and often frustrating goal. Instead, it's about changing our relationship to our thoughts. We learn to observe them without getting carried away by them, recognizing them as mental events rather than absolute truths. We begin to see the space between our thoughts, the moments of stillness that are always available to us. The benefits of mindfulness and meditation extend far beyond a temporary sense of calm. Regular practice has been shown to have a profound impact on our overall well-being. Studies have indicated that mindfulness and meditation can reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, enhance emotional regulation, increase self-awareness, and even have positive effects on physical health, such as lowering blood pressure and improving sleep quality. Imagine the reduction in stress that comes from not constantly being swept away by worries about the future or regrets about the past. Imagine the increased clarity and focus that arises from training your attention to the present moment. Imagine the greater sense of emotional resilience that develops as you learn to observe your feelings without judgment and reactivity. Cultivating mindfulness and meditation is not about striving for a particular state or achieving a specific outcome. It's about the journey of gentle awareness, of showing up for ourselves in each moment with kindness and curiosity. There will be days when your mind feels particularly busy or restless, and that's perfectly okay. The practice is not about having a good meditation or a mindful day, but about the consistent effort of returning to the present moment, again and again. Start small. You don't need to sit for hours in a silent room to experience the benefits. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing or a short guided meditation can make a difference. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably without distractions. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down. Allow your body to relax but maintain an upright posture to help keep you alert. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nostrils and as it leaves. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. You don't need to control your breath, simply observe it as it is. As you focus on your breath, you will likely notice thoughts arising in your mind. This is a natural part of the process. Don't judge yourself for having thoughts. Simply acknowledge them without getting involved in their story, and gently redirect your attention back to your breath. You might also notice various sensations in your body: physical discomfort, subtle tingling, or a sense of ease. Observe these sensations without trying to change them. Simply notice what is present in your body in this moment. Similarly, emotions may arise during your practice. Acknowledge them without judgment, allowing them to be there without getting carried away by them. Notice the physical sensations that accompany these emotions, and then gently return your focus to your anchor, whether it's your breath or another point of focus. The key is gentleness and patience. Be kind to yourself as you learn and grow in your practice. There will be times when your mind feels like a whirlwind, and that's okay. Simply keep returning to the present moment with a sense of curiosity and acceptance. As you cultivate mindfulness through meditation, you will begin to notice its effects spilling over into your daily life. You might find yourself reacting less impulsively, feeling more present in your interactions with others, and experiencing a greater sense of appreciation for the simple things in life. Mindfulness can be integrated into almost any activity. You can practice mindful listening when someone is speaking to you, giving them your full attention without interrupting or formulating your response while they are still talking. You can practice mindful movement as you go about your day, noticing the sensations in your body as you walk, stretch, or perform everyday tasks. The journey of mindfulness and meditation is a personal one. There is no right or wrong way to experience it. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with yourself and the present moment in whatever way feels authentic and meaningful to you. In a world that constantly pulls us towards the next thing, the next goal, the next distraction, mindfulness and meditation offer us a powerful antidote. They invite us to pause, to breathe, to simply be present with ourselves and our experience. In this simple act of presence, we discover a wellspring of inner peace, clarity, and resilience that can transform not only our inner world, but also our experience of the world around us. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and discover the profound and lasting benefits of cultivating mindfulness and meditation in your life. It is a journey back to yourself, a homecoming to the present moment, where true peace and understanding reside.